Do you have rising damp in your walls? Then you'll want to learn more. Firstly, what causes rising damp in houses? Let's address some of the causes of rising damp. Usually rising occurs on the ground floor. The words rising damp suggests that it is localized at the bottom of your walls. The cause of the dampness can result from the damp-proof course being penetrated by moisture. Faulty, non-existent damp course, or even a breakdown of the damp course itself can all cause rising damp. Rising damp mostly occurs in brick and masonry structures. Why rising damp is a problem? Rising damp not only affects the great appearance of a home. The signs of rising damp are visible with the paint bubbling, cracking, presence of salts, efflorescence and mildew or mold on the walls. Rising damp can occur on the outside as well as inside your house. If walls remain damp, over time, it will impact on the structural integrity of a house through rotting timber, and also degrading the structural integrity of masonry and brick. Damp areas may attract termites. I had this problem in a single brick or leaf wall in my garage. Their many effects are caused by the increased moisture in the walls. Moisture can cause rusting of any reinforcement steel, create condensation, which can also damage furniture and soft furnishings, even cause health problems to residents. Now let's talk about the prevention and treatment of rising damp. What can you do to stop rising damp? Luckily, modern waterproofing methods means damp rising up your walls can be treated properly and prevented from reoccurring. The correct installation of damp course is best, but unfortunately, damp courses are often found to be defective as they finish within the mortar line. Water can then enter below the damp course, wetting your internal wall and soaking up it. When a wall has been rendered, the render allows water to wick up and enter into the wall. To fix this, a waterproof barrier required. Traditionally, repairing the damp-proof course usually meant removing a brick course, then reinstalling the damp course correctly. Make sure all joins in the damp course are sealed properly if you're using this method. Excess mortar from the original construction of the brick or block wall may be filling the cavity, preventing water from draining from the weep holes. A simple solution is to clear out the mortar debris from the cavity, allowing weep holes to leak. Another solution is to drill a couple holes into each brick around the floor level and pump in a silicone-based waterproofing mixture under high pressure, hopefully forming a complete waterproof barrier preventing the water from wicking up the wall. Using cementitious waterproof membranes such as dry Zorro Maxseal Foundation. These dry Zorro membranes prevent water penetration into the house. Stop the video here to see how the dry Zorro works to stop rising damp. If you liked our video, give us the thumbs up. Want to learn more, then subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new video updates.